Hobby Lobby, and they had some of their latch hook kits on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed one. As you can see, this one was originally $20 and I got it for $7. It does not include the latch hook, but that was okay. I have a package of latch hooks I use for a crochet project, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So here it is. It comes with instructions on how to latch, how to do the latch hooking and fixing mistakes, and then how you can finish it. And then it comes with this key that tells you which colors to use in which spots, which honestly I don't know that I've ever gotten a key like this. I've had them where they have the grid over it, and so you can see how many blues you're gonna need or whatever, which this one doesn't have, but they have a key and then they've numbered their yarn, which is also interesting because I haven't seen that either, but that's cool. And then here's the canvas, which has the pattern on it, so you can see what colors to use where. But if you were confused what shade of blue it was on here, then you can look to this piece to know what color. So here we have our canvas, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to latch hook a couple of pieces. I'll start with this outer color, which is the 1, and I just kind of push some pieces of yarn up, pull one piece out, and I wrap the piece around my hook beneath the hook part, and while the hook is open, I insert it going underneath the part that I'm going to hook onto, and I stick it through so that the hook comes out, and then I take my yarn and wrap it around and pull, and that hook closes itself, and then I'm going to pull it through, and there your yarn is on your piece. I'll do another one here real quick. So I just get my yarn, I have my hook, and I wrap it around the hook underneath where the latch is. And while holding that, I insert my hook underneath the bar that I'm going to latch onto. And then above that bar, I bring my hook out, and I go all the way up until the latch part is above the line. And then I'm going to take the yarn and hold it in the middle and pull down so the latch closes, and then pull it all the way through, and there it is. I got my latch hook on. So I'm going to go ahead and continue working on this. So I'll just go and follow the colors that are here, and then when it switches over to the yellow, I'll switch to the yellow, so on and so forth. I'm going to just go ahead and work on this, and when it is finished, I will show you how I'm going to finish the edges. wanted to point something out real quick with this kit. So earlier I mentioned that it didn't come with like a grid that shows you the pattern, and I'll show you what I mean. This is a kit my daughter's working on. It'll look like this when it's finished, and this is what it comes with, so you know how many pinks or blues you need for your rose, and mine does not have that. So it's a little tricky because when it printed onto the canvas, which is typically what happens, it doesn't always print straight. So here you can see it needs yellow, but it's just a line that goes straight down. It's not going across where you actually put the yellow. And so I'm trying to guess. And it's kind of shifted this way a little bit, and so everything on this side is off. And I want it to be, symmetrical. And so what I'm doing is doing my best to follow the colors on the left side and then repeating it on the right side. So when I'm working on the right side, it looks like I'm way off, but I'm just working off of what I have over here. So hopefully in the end it all looks well, but that's just something I wanted to point out. Here it is, all completed. I think it turned out really cute. I have these strings left over, so I have a little bit of every color, and this is the outer color. The only color I don't have left is like this orange. And so thankfully I had just the right amount. So yeah, that was interesting. My next step is to go and trim the higher pieces to try to make it a little more even. And then I'm going to lint roll it because it's kind of got a lot of fuzz on it. And then I will show you how I will fold this piece back so that it looks like a little rug. I am going to use this color yarn to go ahead and get this leftover mesh attached to the back. I just think that if it does somehow show through, I don't think it'll be super noticeable. I don't really have a color of yarn that matches this, so we're gonna give this a try. Here it is finished. I've got the sides sewed back, and so they're attached to the back. And it looks like a little small rug. I think it turned out really cute. And so I used this kit I got from Hobby Lobby, which was on sale for $7, and I think it turned out cute. Now that I'm done, I think I'm going to try to turn it into something. I'm trying to decide. I think it might be cute on a tote or turned into a pillow. Let me know in the comments below what you think this would be good to use for. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.